Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I'm standing on the bow of a new brokerage listing that we have. This is a 2016 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. It's powered by triple Mercury Verado 300s with about 680 hours on them. It's got a Raymarine electronics package, tons of other great features. I'm going to give you a quick video walkthrough for the day. Staying up here in the bow, you see that there's plenty of seating. Probably one of the more popular spots is the large coffin box. You've got armrests and cup holders in the center. And underneath is a huge storage compartment. As you can see, we've got 3 oversized fenders, all of your life vests. You can throw your shore power cords, whatever else you need for the day. It does have the bow table option, which drops down. You can put a filler cushion on there as well to make this one big sun pad area. The backrests fold up so that you can have forward facing seating. You've got cup holders built into the bow rail. We've got your anchor locker up forward with your stainless steel windlass and anchor. Storage in the deck as well. It's got a Raymarine electronics package, including this open array radar that you see here. We've got a spotlight, spreader lights, windshield vent for the top, give you a little bit more breeze when you're cruising. Got your windshield wiper. Making our way back to the helm here. You see you've got 3 bolstered captain's chairs, and the center is for the helm. This boat is joystick equipped, so the triple 300 Mercury Verados back there will spin you on a dime using just the joystick. Great feature, make you look real good around the dock. It's powered with twin 15-inch Raymarine touchscreen displays with your radar and everything built in. You've got the larger Mercury vessel view display here. As you can see, 681 hours. You've got your Mercury binnacles with all of the features that comes with. You've got your skyhook panel here, as well as autopilot. Lenco trim tabs. Have it on auto, so you don't have to do anything. Got your Fusion stereo unit here. You've also got another control up on the bow. And then up top here, we've got all of your switches, as well as air conditioning vents, because this boat does have a generator. See great field of vision here. Even if you're not the tallest, Whaler gives you an extra platform, and this whole thing sits right there in case you didn't want it, as it is a step up. Moving back into the cockpit, we'll see the white color matched 300 L6 Mercury Verados. You've got your transom rod holders, as well as your freshwater fill. You've got a live well here in the port quarter. You've got a tuna or dive door here on the port side. Give you a quick look at the beautiful blue hull matched with the white top. Really a good looking boat, as you can see and see better in some of the pictures. Here we've got the summer kitchen opened up, where you've got your Kenyan grill. We've got your freshwater sink. A few different options for cup holders, little storage, knives, whatever else you're grilling out or cutting up. You've got switches for lights, pumps, what have you here. This boat is move-in ready. It just got a detail, so everywhere you look, is nice and clean, including the fish boxes and the bilge, which is always nice. Macerated, huge fish boxes. You can see it goes past the opening there, both starboard and port. And then I'll give you a quick look at the bilge. Great layout on this boat. As you can see, you've got your Kohler generator right here, got your battery bank, the ECRs, the battery charger, bilge pump, transducer, all your seacocks. Everything is neat, easy to get to, and as you can see, very clean. I love a clean bilge. For seating back here, you've got this aft bench seat that folds away when you're not using it. Really nice spot, but it's also very important to be able to stow it away easily when you're getting ready to fish. So you can see this ladder here actually sits in there so that when you have the dive door open, you can get on and off very easily. If you've got scuba tanks or anything like that. This boat does have the scuba racks. As you can see, you've got Whaler logos everywhere. Nice, shiny, very clean. Engines were just serviced as well. So this boat received a detail, engine services, fresh bottom paint, and all of the personal items have been removed. So this boat is ready to rock and roll. Looking in the console here, you've got your head, quick step down below, got your freshwater sink, little porthole, good size headroom here. Got access to your light switches, air conditioning as well. And then a nice step out through here. So whether you're doing fishing in the Gulf Stream, bottom fishing, or just cruising to the sandbar, you've got a lot of amenities to keep everybody comfortable and happy. You see these fold out trolling seats. So when you are trolling with your outriggers spread out, you can have a seat right here and watch this side of the spread as another buddy sits on that side and watches his side. Like I said, guys, this is a 2016 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage. Beautiful condition, very well equipped. 680 hours on the 300s. Joystick, generator, air conditioning, fresh detail, fresh service, new bottom paint. This thing is ready to go. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you have any questions or interest in this boat, feel free to call me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 239-249-4345. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.